we do is we add the exponents. So here this is x to the 1, x to the 1. They're being multiplied together, so I add the exponents and it becomes x squared. In the same way, x squared times x, this is a 2 and a 1. This becomes x to the third. Okay? If we have x squared y times xy, we add up the exponents for each variable. So we start with the x. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then we do y. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now, each variable carries its own exponent, so we don't add up the exponents for two different variables, okay? Let's just do one more example. A squared b times abc. We start with a. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. And c just has the 1, no other one. So C. Okay? I hope you got that. Let's look at an example together. Now this one has a number. We're going to multiply that number first. There is a 1 here. Remember, those ones are invisible. So it just stays at 2. Here we have m next. m5 and 4. So this becomes m to the 9th power. And there's only one n, so it stays like that. I hope that made sense. Go ahead and give this one a try, and then I'll come back and I'll explain it. Okay, so here we go. 3 times 5, 15. M, we got a 5 and we got a 1, so it's 6. And then N, we got a 2 and we got a 3, so it's 5. There you go. Hope you got it. If not, here is one more. Actually, we have 2 more, but work on this one first. I'll give you a little bit of time. Okay, I hope you got it. If not, don't worry. I'm gonna go over it now with you. So let's multiply the numbers first. 6 times 3, 18. Then we have A, 4 and 2, that's 6. And B, 1 and 2, that's 3. Some people might multiply these two by accident. That's okay. Remember, what we're doing is we're adding them. Okay? We got one more practice, and then I'm going to show you a different kind of multiplication. Go ahead. Okay, I hope you got it. Let's go ahead and go over it together. So this is a 1 and a 3. So that's 3. Then we have A, that's a 2 and a 5. So it's going to be to the 7th power. We have B, 1 and 2, that's 3. And then we have a C, just one C, so we're going to leave that one just like that. So next one I want to show you is something called distribution. This is a way of multiplying also. But with distribution, what we're doing is we have parentheses, just like these, and what's on the outside gets multiplied to each thing that's on the inside. So for example, 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 4 is positive 12. That's it. That's how you do this one. Okay? So another example, if we were to have 3 times x minus 6, for example, it would be 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 6, negative 18. Okay? Now that I've done that for you, I want you to give this one a try. I'll give you some time. All right, here we go. So we're doing 2x times x. Remember 2x times x, we add the exponents. So it becomes 2x squared. And 2x times negative 6, 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. And the x stays the same. So this becomes minus 12x. Okay? Let me see. We got one more, and then we're going to go over division. I'll give you a little bit of time to figure this one out, okay? Go for it. Okay, so let's multiply these together. I hope you got it right. If not, don't worry. I'm going to go over it with you right now. We have 2a squared times a squared. So 2 times 1 is 2. A squared is a to the 4th. Now, plus, because that's a plus. 2 a squared times a to the 3rd. 2a to the 4th plus 2a to the 3rd. I hope that made sense. Please submit a question to us if you're not sure about something, and we'll be more than happy to provide you an answer. If you like daily questions, join us on Facebook and Instagram. And if you'd like to know more about our free ASVAB events, text @ASVAB free to 81010. Good luck as you study for the ASVAB.